Om Namah Shivaya to everyone. Uh, Hope all you're doing good and amazing, and we welcome you for this video. Today's topic of the video is sun salutation with corrections and non-corrections. Sometimes in sun salutation we do a lot of mistakes, and they are common mistakes which we don't visualize or see because in our own practice we never see what we are doing it wrong, and by correcting your mistakes this sun salutation becomes more soothing, calming, relaxing, and your alignment of your body becomes more right. So today we are going to show you the common mistakes what we do in sun salutations and what we should do it in a correct way. So sun salutation with common mistakes and with corrections, and we will show you the mistakes in salutation and without mistakes sun salutation. So we welcome all of you for this video today. Gosha and Franny will show you the sun salutation with common mistakes today. So Gosha will be doing this side, Franny will be doing this side, and we will show you what common mistakes we will do in the sun salutation. So getting ready. Keep your feet together, body in a straight line. Take your palms in a prayer position. This is common mistakes we do. We bring our shoulders stressed all the time and palms are in between our chest, but shoulders are too much tensed. When we stretch, inhale, stretch up. When we stretch up, we just bend our knees and drop the head back and arch the back. When hands are not stretching, spine is not stretching, and the head is too much down. Exhale, you just bring the hands down and keep the head down into the knee. Sometimes knees are bending, sometimes knees are stretched, and head is down. We don't stretch the spine too much, big hands on the spine. Take the right leg back, drop the right knee. Stretch the knee too much in front and try to look up to the ceiling. Take the other leg back. Plank position. In plank position your spine is too much up and you're not completely on the toes. Knee, chest, forehead down. Usually go knee, chest, forehead down without lifting our hips up, and we just keep the head straight also sometimes. It's a common mistake we do all of us. Inhale, look up, open the chest. Shoulders are hunched and we look up in front. Never give us good stretch on the back. Lift the hips up and stretch. So we never stretch on our heels, toes are stretched properly and spine is stretched. Knees are also bending sometimes. Right leg forward. We stretch the knee too much forward and we try to look up. Left leg. Bring the knees together and stretch the spine. Keep the hands in front or at the back. Stretch up. Take the head up. Arch back. Bring the knee. So these are the common mistakes we always do in sun salutations, as we are going to show you the right way how to do the sun salutation with the breathing of the flow. So breathing is very important. So getting ready. Inhale and exhale, palms together. Relax your shoulders, bring your palms in prayer position. Inhale, stretch. Keep your hands straight, take a deep breath, elbows, ears together. And all together keep the knees straight and give a nice arch to your spine. Do not drop the head back, hands in between your ears. And keeping the stretch, exhale, push the spine maximum forward, knees are straight, stretch the spine, and slowly exhaling, go forward and down. Keeping the knees in a straight line, going forward a little bit, take your head into the knees. Pressing your palms or bending your knee doesn't make any sense, but the knee should be straight and you're a straight line. Your head is down, stretching the spine more and more down. Inhale, right leg back. Usually take the right leg maximum back, drop the right knee, keep the knee 90 degrees. This is important. Stretch the back leg maximum. Try to look up to the ceiling and try to give a stretch to the spine and look up. If you cannot even keep the fingers down, you can just stretch your arms in front, up from the floor and try to look up. Breathe in. Or you can just fix your palms down and look up. Take the other leg back. With the retention of the breath, take the both legs together. Bring the palms straight, fix, and just shift the body weight from the toes to your hands. Just in between, you look straight. Now, knee, chest, forehead down, exhale. Slowly drop the knee and bring the chest in between your hands. Keep your forehead down. Your chest is in between your hands. Surya Namaskar. Your palms are touching. Your head is touching down. Your knees are touching and your toes are touching. Deep inhale. Now push your upper back forward like a snake. Look up, open the chest and slightly use your back. Here, do not do the common mistake that your shoulders are pushing back, elbows are close to the chest and you're looking up to the ceiling. Feet is together, toes are back. Open the chest, breathe in. Lift the hips, tuck your toes in first. Maximum. Come up on the knees. Stretch the spine and take your both legs down. Feet is little bit together. Your heels are touching down. Doesn't make any sense if you're on the toes, but try to stretch your hands straight. Fingers are wide apart. Stretch your heels down, and within a practice you can do it easily. Stretch. Give a downward dog, Adho Mukha. Stretch your hips maximum. Stretch your spine. Inhale, right leg in front. Open the right leg. Drop the knee. Just feel that the knees are straight. Back leg is stretched. Either you can keep your fingers down, either you can keep it up. But only the thing is more important that you stretch your spine and you look up. Exhale. Bring the other leg forward. Both knees are together. Make a straight line and reach your forehead into the knees. Push yourself down. Look into the knees. Inhale, stretch. Keep your elbows close together. Take your arms straight. Push your spine. Maximum straight stretch the arms. Keep your feet together. Keep your fingers. Do not drop your head too much down. Arch back and exhale. Relax your shoulders. Release. One more time we do with the left leg. Inhale and exhale, palms together. Just relax the shoulders. Keep the spine straight. Inhale, stretch your both hands straight up. Elbows close to the ear and slowly arch back. Do not drop the head. Exhale, full stretch. Hips backward, spine forward and slowly spread down. Come up on the toes. Back leg straight, Knees, calf, hamstring is stretching. Your head is coming down. Left leg back without touching, without moving your fingers. Left leg far away. Drop the left knee. Front knee is straight. And you try to look up to the ceiling or fix your fingers down. Try to open the chest above. Breathe in. Other leg forward. Without moving your fingers, both legs together. Your chest is going in between your hands. You are coming straight like a plank. Look in front. Keep the legs tight, hands tight. Rub the knee, chest, forehead down. Your chest is in between your hands. Many people cannot do this position. It takes a lot of strength. So you can simply lie down on the mat. Then tuck your toes in and lift your hips up. Inhale, push your upper spine forward, fingers wide open. Shoulders are backward, rolling back. You're looking up, feet together, toes back. Do not come too much up, just use your spine and hands maximum. Hands are not in use, but your shoulders are pushing you back. Your chest is expanding and you're breathing in. Exhale, tuck the toes in, lift the hips maximum, stretch the spine and try to touch your heels down on the floor. Keep the legs straight, arms straight, push from the shoulders to the spine to the legs. Wonderful. Fingers wide open. Left leg forward. Deep breathing. Keep the knees straight and try to not just hunch down. Try to look up, open the chest. Breathe in. And if you cannot, then you can just bring your fingers up, hands up, look up. Other leg forward, feet together. Stretch the back of the leg straight, come down maximum, look into the knees. For a while, breathe. Feel the stretch on the hamstring and calf muscle. And take your arms, pushing your hips backward, taking your arms in front, giving a stretch on your spine. Come up, elbows, ears together. And arch back, look to your fingers. Do not drop head too much back. And exhale. Release. Relax the shoulders. So this was the sun salutation, common mistakes, and with correction the sun salutation round. So hope you do this correctly at your own practice and feel the corrections. If your shoulders are hunched, if your legs are not straight, if you are not trying to do something proper, watch this video. Maybe this video will help you and give you a lot of corrections in your body, and this is for you to motivate and to make you feel energized. Sun salutation is the source of energy. It brings the warm up in your body, heating and a warm up energy, also awake your energy. So it's wonderful exercise. You should practice every day this sun salutation, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.